Today's tutorial is dynamic text effects. Open VideoAE and click Make Video to enter the production page. First, import a background video, of course. You can also make it directly without importing it. The material video here is too long, so I set it to be shorter. Then click the plus sign to add a text layer. Enter the text to be made and select the font you like in the font style in the lower toolbar. Adjust the size and position of the text layer again. Finally, click Property to enter the text setting page. First, change the opacity value in Transform to 0. Then the text will disappear. Then click the Range button to light up the start and end keyframe dots at 0 seconds. Then set the time hand to the time position where the text is to be fully displayed, such as 6 seconds. Adjust the start value to 100 and you can see that the text is gradually displayed to the right on the screen preview, and you can see that the text will gradually appear one by one, of course. You can set the value of color or change of property according to this effect. These settings are the settings when the text does not appear, and the text that will gradually become white stays at the position of the initial layer. Do you want to try different effects?